Welcome to the Fem2PC YouTube channel. In this video, we'll introduce our secret script to take a vanilla install of FreeBSD 13.5, whether on physical hardware or from a virtual machine, and create a complete content management system using one of four popular content management systems, or CMS. The script will install the Apache web server, the MySQL database server, plus all required PHP extensions, and support for Drupal, Joomla, Wordpress, or OS Commerce CMS applications. The installation script saves a huge amount of time by automating all installation and configurations. In this video, we'll continue from our installation of FreeBSD on a 4-disk RAID array from a previous video to bring up a complete WordPress environment. I'm currently on a clean FreeBSD system. I'm logged in using the PuTTY SSH client. You can see here I've got FreeBSD 13.5 release. My IP address is 192.168.1.252. The purpose of this video is to show the installation of FAMP, FreeBSD, Apache, MySQL, and PHP on a clean install. I'll then install one of a number of content management systems through a script file from my Fem2PC website. This script supports installing Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, or OS Commerce content management. The first thing I'll do is to grab our script file. We'll use the fetch command under FreeBSD. As root from the root home folder, enter the command fetch https://www.femtopc.com/icms.gz, which will download the gzip file. Next, we'll extract that file with the command tar space -xf space icms.gz. The result will be our icms.sh shell file, which is executable by root. To execute the shell, we'll enter the command /icms.sh. This is my shell script running. The script is designed to be run on a clean FreeBSD install, no ports, no debug, and no incompatible packages installed. This server does not have a fully qualified domain name, so I will be using the IP address. I'll use root as my MySQL root user password. I'm prepared to choose WordPress as my content management system, and I'll have my passwords as required for WordPress. I've read this and will continue. Now the system checks are required, so answer yes. It's determined that my OS version is 13.5 release, so let's continue. We'll get a really quick report here. I've got my host name, my CPU is an Intel i7, I've got 4 storage SATA disks, 16 gigs of memory, and my DNS is following the unbound caching service. The script will check if the package system is already installed. Before the package system is installed, the script will start getting configuration information from the user. As I can see here, the server name is fbsd135.local, which is not a real internet domain name. Since my server does not have a real fully qualified domain name, I will select the IP address option. As of June 2025, MySQL supports 8.0, which has long-term support, and versions 8.4 or 9.0. For this demo, I'm going to use the version 8.0 for the long-term support. On the queue, I'll enter 80, and as I said earlier, I'm going to use root as my MySQL root password. In a real production environment, please use a real secure password. Currently supported PHP versions are 8.3 and 8.4. I'm going to go with 8.3, which is supported by the 4 content management systems, which will be installed through this script. I'll enter 83 and confirm the entry. In this example, I want to install WordPress by choosing item 3 and confirming. The installation will now actually start. First the FreeBSD package system, then Apache 2.4. The most common archivers like zip and rar are installed. The Apache server is configured and is started for the first time. Next, PHP 8.3 and the PHP 8.3 extensions are installed and configured. Additional extensions, which are required by typical content management systems, are installed. After installing Apache Mod PHP, the script does an installation check. Next comes the MySQL 8.0 server installation. The first time the server is started, it has to build its default database. So we'll wait for this to complete. The MySQL root password will be set. FAMP is installed, so we're going to install WordPress by first gathering some basic information. Enter the admin username and password. This is now my script gathering information so that the installer can run. Enter the admin email address. I put in a fake email here. Next, the WordPress website name. I'm going to make mine my WordPress website. Without a fully qualified domain name, I'll use the server's IP address, 192.168.1.252. The CLI tool is downloaded and used to finish the WordPress installation. The installations have completed okay, and we're finished. Let's check our WordPress front end by going to our IP address 192.168.1.252. Oh look, I made a typo in my WordPress. To log into the WordPress backend, add the wp_login.php to the IP address, using your admin username and password. If you're familiar with WordPress, you're ready to go. Welcome to WordPress. You can check for updates, and we're already up to date because we just downloaded and installed the very latest version. That really is the completion of my content management installation script. It works really well. Use this script to install a Joomla, Drupal, or OS Commerce website. That's it for this video. Thanks for taking the time to watch and visit us at fem2pc.com.